Hi everyone, Dan Barrett here with Bubby, the world famous tech guru. Have you ever sent an email and instantly regretted it? Perhaps because of using the wrong tone in an email or misspelling a critical word?
Consider my proposal. Send. No! I misspelled it!
In this episode of Classroom Digital Tools, we will show you how to use a simple Gmail setting that will empower you to have a do-over with every email that you send. Bubby will be taking a supervisory role because, well, he can't speak English. So, here we go.
After signing into your Gmail account, the first thing that you want to do is click on the gear shift icon near the top right of the screen. And that gear shift icon represents the settings, so go ahead and click on that. And in drop-down box, click on the word settings once again. On this page, you can see the option to undo a sent email. Click on the box next to that to enable undo send, and then select the amount of time that you have after sending the email to cancel it and make any desired revisions to that email. Clicking on the down arrow, you can see that you can choose from 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds to undo the email. Personally, I always click on the maximum amount of time to allow myself the most flexibility, so I'm going to click on 30 seconds. Scroll down to the end of this page and click on Save Changes. Now let's see how this works. I will click on Compose. I will type in my own email address. And I will click on Send. As you can see, I received a message that the message has been sent, but I can undo the email, which reverses the sending process, and the email opens up for me to go ahead and enter in any desired revisions. Once I'm done with revisions, I can go ahead and click on Send once again. I still have the option to undo the email or to view the message. By clicking on the View Message, though, I disabled the opportunity to unsend the email.
Thank you everyone for watching this episode of Classroom Digital Tools. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, feel free to leave a comment, and share this video with all of your friends. Thank you very much for your support. This is Dan Barrett. See you next time on Classroom Digital Tools.